Our planet is full of beautiful, cute, powerful, and beyond imagination animals. Yet, if you explore a little deeper, you will find creatures that are so mind-blowing, weird, terrifying, and unexplainable. They must be from another planet. From a caterpillar with the head of a horse to a cat-shaped moth, let's explore some fascinating and out-of-this-world creatures. But before we begin, feel free to comment other animals that you think look alien-like. Horsehead Grasshopper. Among all the species of grasshoppers, the horsehead grasshopper has some of the most unique and strange features. Most grasshoppers look like big insects with thick legs and giant eyes, but the horsehead grasshopper doesn't resemble its cousins. At first glance, you will mistake it for a tiny, broken tree twig. Looking closer, you will see 6 thin legs holding its body and 2 globe-like eyes on top. Most importantly, this grasshopper has an elongated face. Many people who have seen it compare it with the face of a horse. This is probably where the horsehead grasshopper got its name from. It has a thin, stick-like head that gets thicker toward its mouth. Horsehead grasshoppers display a lot of body colors. However, most males commonly are green-colored, while females appear to have light to dark brown colors. All these colors help them to camouflage on the branches of the trees. Although these creatures look like Martians, they are diversely found in South America, Venezuela, Peru, Brazil, and French Guiana. Telescopefish. The next creature we will discuss must be from another planet. We are talking about the telescopefish, and it's seriously strange looking. Telescopefish live in the deepest and darkest waters of tropical and subtropical oceans. They live at such a depth, even light cannot reach down there. So, how does it survive in such depths? What special feature do telescopefish possess? Telescopefish has one of the most highly adaptive eyes to survive in dark waters. It has telescope-shaped tubular eyes that allow the fish to see and track its prey in the depth of darkness, hence the name telescopefish. Secondly, they have fascinating jaws and an expandable stomach that allows it to catch and eat big prey, such as bristlemouths, lanternfish, and barbelled dragonfish. Since it's very difficult to access these fish because of their in-depth water habitat, we know very little about them. But one thing is for sure, they could easily be from outer space. Brazilian treehopper. In the tropical forests of South America live 3,300 species of treehoppers, but the most incredible creature of them all is the Brazilian treehopper. It's very similar, yet very distinct from its cousins. How? Most insects have a plate-like structure called a pronotum that protects its thorax. The pronotum can have diverse designs depending on the species. But the Brazilian treehopper's pronotum is just non-explainable. It has a helicopter's propellers-like pronotum that extends into tiny ball ornaments on each propeller. No one knows the exact purpose of this Brazilian treehopper's helmet. Some say it's to attract the opposite gender, while others say it serves the purpose of killing the fungus. Some even suggest that propellers could be another set of wings. Either way, these tiny treehoppers demonstrate the beauty that is pretty much unknown to the world. Giraffe Weevil. Weevils are the type of insects with over 50,000 species, making them the largest family of all living creatures. All of them have unique appearances, but the giraffe weevil is so mystifying it looks more like an alien than a weevil. So, what makes it unique from other thousands of weevils? The giraffe weevil has a very long neck, just like a giraffe, and that's how it got its name. The neck of this weevil is so long, it makes up almost 60 to 70% of its total body length. The rest of their body resembles other weevils, having a red shell on top of their body that covers their wings. It's believed that they use their neck to fight other males and to build nests in the trees. Giraffe weevils are endemic to Madagascar and spend their entire life on a single tree by feeding on the leaves and sap of the tree. Puss Caterpillar. Let's talk about a North American caterpillar that looks like a tiny, fuzzy cat or a wig. These puss caterpillars have fur on their body that looks so fluffy. But do not approach these caterpillars for their cuteness, because they are one of the most venomous moths in the world. According to the experts, their fur is basically for hiding toxic spines, which can result in days and even weeks of pain. Which of these animals do you think could be from another planet? Let us know in the comments section. I hope you guys liked the video. Until next time.